Hello, today we are doing where's my hanger? Camry for PLM, muffler delete or axle back, and we are going to show you how it looks in the box. It's shiny goodness. So, as you can clearly tell, it's a muffler delete. There is no mufflers. And if we look at the car, OEM has this giant muffler. Also very heavy, not very good for performance or sound. And even with the resonators, there shouldn't be too much drone. The sound should be perfect. Just a little bit more ground. And with that said, we're gonna get into the installation. Pretty simple. That's how it looks. And this is what the supplied hardware looks like. Alright, let's get started. So first step is to take a
14 and 14. Those are both
14, just kidding. So the nuts are welded on. Just use the 14 and take it out. Step 2, we're gonna go ahead and put a little pull jack here to hold it up while we take it off. You could also stick towels in here to do it, but we're gonna just go ahead and put a pull jack because we have access to it. So Nathan, our tech, is going to go ahead and remove this exhaust, but for the rear, because it's very difficult to get to because there's two, we are just going to remove the bolts. And then when we drop this whole thing, then we're gonna take that off. No lube either. These are 12s, so go ahead and get yourself an extension, break it loose, and remove the bolts. And there is one out. So you want to do the same thing to this side and drop it down. So that is the stock one, and it is 17 pounds. Alright, so this one is 7 pounds. So you drop 10 pounds, which is great for performance. But mainly we're doing it for the sound. So let's put it on and see what it sounds like. This can be done on the ground on some jack and jack stands. We have a lift, so we're just gonna use a lift, and that's our WRX getting reflashed, and that's our giveaway car. So it should be nice. So together these weigh 17 pounds each. So 34 pounds total, and these weigh 7 pounds each, so they're 14 pounds total in weight savings. And now you're gonna use the anything actually to remove it. We have a exhaust hanger removal tool. You probably could use a screwdriver, but we have this tool, so we're gonna use this tool. No lube either. Now simply just transfer it over to the new one. No lube needed at all. Next step is to remove the stock gasket. Looks like that. So just take a pry tool, plastic or metal. Just careful not to gouge it. They're using a plastic one, and it comes off. It's a little difficult, but yeah, that comes off. And then these are the new provided ones. So you just go ahead and put it there. You can feel free to put the exhaust hanger on first on that side, doesn't matter. We're just doing this side first. Personal preference. So tighten that down, which I Nathan did off camera. And then put the exhaust, once again, he's doing it dry. You sprayed it outside, you gotta spray it inside. Okay. The nut's a 14 and the bolt is a 13. Next step is to just put in the new provided hardware. So one side's done, and then you just repeat the same thing on the other side. Alright, so just go ahead and double check everything, give it a brief once over, and your installation is done.